Hi everyone, my name is Nirishi Santosh Naik. As you all know, I have made a video on free energy water pump. That link I have given in description. You can go and watch it. So today I am going to make a new video on a big project of free energy water pump. Uh, by this I am going to take out the water from well. So you can see that was the pipe used to our old free energy water pump process. So this big pipe, you can see this by combining both I am going to make today's experiment. So these are the some materials which I used. You can see some pipes and two end caps of 6-inch pipes, uh, a wall, two M-seal, a cutter blade, and some end caps, Ceylon tape, a coupling, and football. And you can know I have fixed all of this by gum and using M-seal. By fixing, we'll see. So at first I am going to cover the both end of the long pipe with the end caps. So first with this, so this hole will connect the pipe and also the tank. So here is also a coupling which I used to connect the threading and the pipe. So I am going to fix this with the pipe now. So I will fix it with the gum. I will so at this end also I will fix it. So I have pulled a hole over here before only because it will take more time for that. So this was about the materials and uh, about the built-in which I could make over here. So about the second pipe, I have made a video. This pipe is also used in our old video, so you can go there and watch that video. Once I will lift and show you, and I will explain you also. There are two holes at the top, so you can see this is the inlet of the water, and this I have kept for the air process. So this was the inlet of water from the water source, and that was the outlet, and there is also an end cap closed over there. So same I am going to, as this pipe only I am going to make out of this pipe. So I have pulled a hole there, and like as same as two end caps I have used, and there I have used the threading coupling. So which I would tell you over here I have told. Next we are going to the place where we will going to build it. Now I will lightly explain you how will be the project on the place of where I will construct it. So at the bottom this pipe will be there like this. It will be at the that end of the pipe will be connected to the floor. Floor means to the ground it will be connected, and this pipe will be at the upper level. Like this it will be about the upside of this. For connecting the both of this I am going to use this pipe. Yes, I have fixed it to it. So as I told you, I use the threading to connect the pipe. So like this it will be. It will be in a straight form upside. So you have see how I have made it. So next I am going to use this. This will be the inlet of the water. So it will be connected. It will be connected over here. Like this it will be connected. So it is 10 to 15 foot long pipe. It will be the inlet of the process. So at the end I'm going to use this tap like this. It will help me to leave the correct amount of water outside. So this was about the building of it. So guys, if you want to watch the next video, subscribe our channel. So in that video I am going to make this model in the well and show you. I'm going to take out the water from well. To watch that video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notified when I'm going to put that video. Thank you.